Hi, Ben.
Hi, Anna. How are you?
I am good. Can I ask you something?
Sure. What do you need?
What time start our English class?
You mean, what time does our English class start?
Yes. What time does our English class start?
It starts at 10 o'clock.
Thank you. And what is the homework for today?
We have to write 5 sentences about our family.
I not understand the homework.
You don't understand the homework?
Yes, I don't understand.
No problem. I can help you. We write 5 sentences about our family. For example, my mother is a teacher.
Oh, now I understand. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Your English is getting better.
I try every day.
That's great. Keep practicing and you will do very well.
Thank you, Ben.
No problem, Anna. See you in class.
Hello.
Hello. Welcome to the bank. How can I help you?
I want open a bank account.
You want to open a bank account?
Yes, I am new in this city.
No problem. Do you have your ID with you?
Yes, I have my passport.
Great. Do you want a savings account or a checking account?
I not know the difference.
You don't know the difference? A savings account is for saving money. A checking account is for daily use.
I want checking account. Please.
Okay. Please fill out this form.
I fill the form now?
You can fill out the form now. If you need help, just ask me.
Thank you. My English is not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Welcome to our bank and to the city.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too.
Hello.
Hi, welcome to our store. Can I help you?
Yes, I like this shirt. What price?
You mean, what is the price? It is $15.
Thank you. Do you have this shirt in medium?
Let me check. Yes, we have medium size.
Can I try it?
Yes, you can try it in the fitting room.
Thank you. This shirt is nice, but it is little big.
It is a little big. Would you like a small size?
Yes, I want small size, please.
Here is a small size. Please try it.
This is perfect. I take it.
Great. Anything else?
No, thank you. My English is not very good.
Your English is good. You are learning.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Enjoy your new shirt and have a nice day.
Thank you. You too. Hello.
Hi, welcome to the gym. Can I help you?
Yes, I want to join the gym.
You want to join the gym.
Yes, I want get strong.
That's great. We have different memberships. Do you want a monthly or yearly membership?
I not know. What is better?
You don't know? A monthly membership is good if you want to try first.
Okay, I want monthly membership.
Perfect. Please fill out this form.
Thank you. Can I use all machine?
Can you use all the machines? Yes, you can use all of the equipment.
That is good. I am new, so I not know how to use.
You are new, so you don't know how to use them. No problem. I can show you.
Thank you. My English is not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Enjoy your workout and have a strong day.
Thank you. I am excited. Hello.
Hi, how can I help you?
I want to buy a ticket to city center.
You want to buy a ticket to City Center.
Yes, please.
No problem. 1 ticket or 2 tickets?
1 ticket, please. How much cost?
How much does it cost? It is $4.
Here is $4.
Thank you. The next train is at 10:30.
Which platform I go?
Which platform do I go to? Platform 2.
Thank you. My English is not very good.
Your English is good. You are learning.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a good trip.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too.
Hi, Ben.
Hi, Anna. How are you?
I am good. Are you busy today?
No, I'm free. Why?
I want to invite you to my home.
You want to invite me to your home?
Yes, I want to invite you. We can eat dinner together.
That sounds nice. What time should I come?
You can come at 7 o'clock.
Thank you. Do you need me bring something?
Do you need me to bring something? No, just come.
Okay, I am happy to visit your home.
I am happy too. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
Thank you, Ben.
You're welcome. See you at 7 o'clock.
See you.
Hello.
Hi. Welcome to the cinema. How can I help you?
I want to buy a ticket for movie.
You want to buy a ticket for a movie.
Yes, please. I want to see the new action movie.
Great. One ticket for the new action movie. What time?
What time is next show?
What time is the next show? It is at 6:30.
I take one ticket for 6:30.
You want one ticket for 6:30. That is $10.
Here is $10.
Thank you. Do you want popcorn or a drink?
Yes, I want popcorn.
No problem. Anything else?
No, thank you. My English is not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Enjoy the movie.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too.
Hello.
Hi, welcome to the museum. How can I help you?
I want to buy a ticket.
You want to buy a ticket?
Yes, please. How much is one ticket?
One ticket is $8.
Here is $8.
Here are $8. Thank you. Would you like a map of the museum?
Yes, I like a map.
You would like a map. Here you are. Do you want to know about any exhibit?
Yes, where is the dinosaur?
The dinosaur exhibit is on the second floor.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Enjoy your visit at the museum.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too.
Hello.
Hi, welcome to the phone shop. How can I help you?
I want to buy a SIM card.
You want to buy a SIM card?
Yes, I am new in this city.
No problem. Do you want a prepaid SIM card or a monthly plan?
I not understand prepaid.
You don't understand prepaid. Prepaid means you pay before you use it.
Oh, I want prepaid SIM card.
Great. Do you need internet on your phone?
Yes, I need internet.
This SIM card has internet and calls. It is $10.
How long it work?
How long does it work? It works for 1 month.
Thank you. My English is not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Enjoy your new SIM card and have a great day.
Thank you. You too.
Hello.
Welcome to the car rental office. How can I help you?
I want to rent a car.
You want to rent a car?
Yes, please. I need a car for 2 days.
No problem. Do you want a small car or a big car?
I want small car.
You want a small car. Do you have a driver's license?
Yes, I have license.
You have a license. Great. Can I see it, please?
Yes, here is my license.
Thank you. The price is $30 per day.
How much for 2 day?
How much for 2 days? It is $60.
Okay, I take it.
Perfect. Please fill out this form.
My English is not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Enjoy your trip and drive safely.
You're welcome. Enjoy your trip and drive safely.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too.